So jumping back into the NFT guide for beginners, we're at the core of it, NFTs. This is a big section and I broke it down into subsections, so we'll go over them individually. But generally, NFTs are non-fungible tokens. This is what you're hearing about. This is why you're here. This is what you're curious to understand. And at the core, it's just simply an empty container that also holds an asset or data, right? We'll dive deeper into what that means, but in using the Sierpinski triangle again as a relationship or a mental model, we can see that we started at blockchain, we now went to smart contracts, and we have gone one more level deeper into NFTs. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are unique items that have some sort of perceived value. We'll discuss value in another section and what that means, so stay tuned. Towards the end, that's where I go into helpful hints, can identify a few things that I've been alluding to already. But before we move on to the meat and potatoes, or the faux meat and potatoes if you're not carnivorous, blockchain was the massive distributed ledger. It's like a spreadsheet. It holds bits of data and information. That bits of data and information maps or points to smart contracts. Smart contracts are rules, regulations, instructions, etc. that govern what goes on with an NFT. An NFT, what we're talking about now, is another empty container that can be filled with any type of data and information, and usually that is the asset, which you're most familiar with is artwork. And we're going to dive a little bit deeper into use cases, types of NFTs, the history, as we move through this section. So stay tuned, let's dive in.